Sri Sai Ram. Hearty welcome to Sri Sathya Sai Lok Seva Gurukulam. Free online classes in mathematics. Okay. Now all of you are ready? Ready? Fresh? Give one smile. Very nice. Okay, get ready with your pen and book. And you have to note down some of the important formulas, problems and all. Okay. Now let us see, just revise once what you have studied earlier. We started this topic on mensuration with the areas. Mensuration means what? It's a branch of mathematics which deals with areas of figures now, and later it is areas of solids. And what are the areas we have studied? We studied the area of triangle. Come on, what is the formula for area of triangle? A is equal to half BH. What is B? B is base, H is height, A is area. Area of circle, A is equal to pi r square. What is pi? 22/7, approximate value. R is the radius. And area of rectangle, A is equal to length into breadth. Okay. And area of a square, A is equal to A square or L square. You noted all this? Okay. Make a big list of it and it will be easy for you to study. Area of trapezium. Come on. Who will tell? Yes. A is equal to half of H into A plus B. What is A and B? They are the parallel sides. What is H? H is the height. Suppose this is a trapezium. Suppose you call this as ABCD. The parallel sides are called A and B. And this is called H. It is height. So that is the formula for area of trapezium. And here also we studied perimeter of plane figures. What is perimeter of triangle? Sum of the three sides. Perimeter of circle, if you call it as C, it is 2 pi r. Here it is C sides. Suppose you say ABC in case of scalene triangle. In case of rectangle, the circumference is 2 into L plus B. In case of square, circumference or perimeter is equal to 4A. Here sum of all the sides. And also you have studied about general quadrilateral. What is a quadrilateral? It's a plane figure having 4 sides, 4 vertices, is it not? And 4 angles. So area of a general quadrilateral is half of D into H1 plus H2. What are H1, H2? They are the heights. Suppose this PQRS is a quadrilateral. How many diagonals it will have? 2 diagonals. Come on, name. One is called PR, another is called QS. And if you draw heights here, that is called as H1, H2. Perpendiculars. Okay. And D is the diagonal, length of the diagonal. Okay. So formula is half of D into H1 plus H2. We already studied that. And lastly, we studied about area of rhombus. What are the properties of rhombus? Rhombus is a quadrilateral having all the four sides equal. Most important property is that the diagonals bisect each other at right angles. Suppose you call it as ABCD and D1, D2 are diagonals. Area is given by the formula half of D1, D2, product of diagonals. Correct? Here most important property is that the diagonals bisect at right angles. And here all the sides are equal. Okay, so these are the things we have studied as earlier. Now we will come to home assignment. Okay, first question, find the area of the rhombus. You can name it. Suppose you have PQRS and the diagonal is called PR here. One diagonal, another diagonal. So area of the rhombus, RHOMBEUS. Note the spellings also. Okay, A is equal to half of D1, D2. What are D1, D2? They are diagonals. So that is half of D1 is 7, D2 is 6. Here these are the diagonals given. So 2 1s are 2 3s are 3 7s are 21 centimeter square. Just one more question. So area of the rhombus is equal to 21 square centimeters. Okay. Now we will pass on to topic for today, area of a polygon. So what is a polygon? Polygon is a plane figure having 3 or more than 3 sides. If there are 3 sides, we call it as triangle. 4 sides, quadrilateral. 5 sides, pentagon. See, this is one model of the pentagon. Nice. You can also do it, okay. But here you should not think of the thickness. You should see only the measurements of the sides. Why it is called pentagon? It has got 5 sides. If there are 6 sides, what do you call it? Hexagon. Are you seeing? You can also do it. Here you must take each angle is 120 degrees. Here each angle is 108 degrees. So these are some of the examples of polygons. And why you should know the areas? For every work you should know the purpose. For example, you go to games. Why do you go to games? You know it you will become fresh. You will be energetic. Is it not? And you will be less tensioned and so on. And why you go into food? That you know that you will get energy. All the activities of the day can be done very well with the help of after eating. No? So also you should know why you should know the area of the polygon. Especially some of you may be knowing, for the sale of lands or for purchase of lands, they will convert that shape of the land into a definite known figures. For example, this is in a pentagon shape. This pentagon area can be found out by dividing it into suitable triangles and by constructing 2 diagonals. So we split the quadrilateral into triangles and find its area. 1, 2, 3. There are 3 triangles made here. So when you say area of pentagon means area of the 3 triangles. Similar methods can be used to find the area of polygon. So by constructing 2 diagonals, AC and AD. AC is a diagonal, AD is another diagonal. pentagon ABCDE is divided into 3 triangles. So area of ABCDE means area of ABC, area of ADC and area of AED. So all the 3 together becomes area of pentagon. And you might have heard a word called surveyor. Surveyor is one who makes the survey of the land. So he makes the survey of the land, and then the length breadth of the land is measured by a suitable chain, what is called Gunter's chain, and then the area is calculated, and then the cost is estimated. So here if you want to measure the area of this land, for example, you have to find the area of the 3 triangles. Okay, so known to unknown. So let us work out with the problem now. Find the area of the pentagon ABCDE. You are given with AD 8 centimeters, AG 4 centimeters, AF 3 centimeters. So AF is 3, AG is 4 up to here, then AH is 6, then you have AF 3, AD 8. So from here to here they 8. Okay, and perpendiculars also given. BF is 2. BF is 2 centimeters. And CH is 3 centimeters. And EG is 2.5 centimeters. So these are all centimeters. Okay. Now you have to find the area. How to find the area? See, you have to find one by one. First you must write area of triangle ABF is equal to half of base into height. Base is half BH, you can write half into base is 3 centimeters into height is 2 centimeters. So 2 cancels, you get 3 square centimeters. Then you have area of trapezium. Why it is trapezium? Because there are parallel sides. So area of trapezium, quadrilateral having parallel sides. You can call it as BFHC. BFHC. Already studied how to find the area, correct? What is the formula? Half H into A plus B. So H is the height here. From here to here. Up to here it is 6, right? Up to here it is 3. So half H into A plus B is the formula. H means 6 minus 3. 3. A plus B. This is A, this is B. So 2 plus 3. So half of 3 into 5. That is 15 by 2. 7.5 square centimeters. So this is not about land. It's only a figure. That's all. Okay. And you have got a big triangle, no, small triangle there. Last. Area of triangle CHD is equal to half of base into height is equal to half of what is base. Up to here it is 8, up to here it is 6. 8 minus 6, that is 2, and height is 3. 2 ones are 2 ones are. You have 3 centimeter square. And lastly, big triangle. Area of triangle AED. AED, big triangle. See, AED. Half of base. Base is how much? Full you must take diagonal. That is 8 into height. That is 2.5. 2 ones are 2 fours are. That is 10 centimeter square. So add all this. Last step. Area of pentagon ABCDE. Why it is called pentagon? Penta means how much? 5, 6, what do you call it? Hexagon. 7 sides, heptagon. 8 sides, octagon. 9 sides, nonagon. 10 sides, decagon. Okay. All words end with the gun. So add all this. 10 plus 3, 13, 16 plus 7.5. 23.5 centimeter square. So area of the pentagon is equal to 23.5 centimeter square. So first what you have done? First you find the area of this triangle number 1. 3 into 2, correct? AF is 3. See, AF is 3 here. And this is BF. BF is 2. That we have taken. Next, trapezium we took. In trapezium, you have A and B. 2 plus 3, A and B. And H. H is FH. FH is AH minus AF. AH is 6. AF is 3. 6 minus 3, that is 3. So you got 7.5. Then the last, this is the second figure we got. Third one is the triangle. That is a CHD, half of base into height. Base is total from A to D, it is AD 8 centimeters. In that AD, you must subtract AH. AH is 6. So 8 minus 6 becomes 2. Half into 2 into 3. What is 3? 3 is the height. So 2 2s are 2 1s are 2. 3 you get. Lastly, big triangle. What do you call as AED? Half base into height. So half base into height. Base is 8. AD is 8. Into height is 2.5. So 4 into 2.5 becomes 10. Add all this. Got it? Very nice. You added all that, you get the answer. Now we will pass on next problem. Find the area of polygon MNOPQR. See here, MNOPQR. What is the shape called? Hexagon. In this, MP is 9 centimeters. So, solution. You are given with the MP 9 centimeters. From here to here, it is 9 centimeters. In that, MD is equal to 7 centimeters. From here to here, 7. So this is this becomes 2 there. This becomes 7. 7 plus 2, 9. Then you have MC 6 centimeters. MC, C is here. So that is 6 centimeters. MC. Then you have MB 4. MB 4. So we write it MC MC6, MB4, MA2. Correct? Then NA, OC, QD and RB are the perpendiculars drawn to the diagonal MP. So how to do it? First you must take this triangle, number 1, then area of trapezium, number 2, number 3 area of triangle, number 4 area of another triangle, number 5 area of trapezium, lastly area of triangle. So there are 4 now. Correct? So this is also a figure, it is not about the land and all, but the same way you have to calculate the area of the lands also. Now come on, one by one we will go. So area of triangle AMN is a 4 marks question, you must answer in 8 minutes, right? So let us see. Half BH, half of H is 2.5. What is B? MA. MA is given to be 2 centimeters. So 2 into height 2.5. So 2 ones are cancels, you get 2.5. And unit is square centimeters. This is the first answer. Coming to second, area of the first one, this is second one. Trapezium. What is a trapezium? Is a quadrilateral having one pair of parallel sides. So here are 2 parallel sides, that is 2.5 and 3 is equal to half of H. H is height. A and B are the parallel sides. What is the height? Height is MC minus MA. MC is 6, MA is 2, 6 minus 2, 4 into A plus B. A is 2.5, B is 3, 2 ones are 2 twos are. So this is 5.5 into 2, 11 square centimeters. Coming to third one, what is that shape called? Triangle. Area of triangle, correct? Name OCP. Formula, half of base into height. Half of, what is the base? Base is MP minus MC. MP 9 centimeters minus MC 6 centimeters. 9 minus 6, that is 3, into height 3. So 3 3s are 9 by 2. 9 by 2 is 4.5. And next you have number 4. Again a triangle. Area of triangle, what is that called? RMB. 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 Half of base into height. Half of base is how much? MB. What is base? MB 4. 4 into height 2.5. 2 ones are 2 twos are. Get 5 centimeters square. That is fourth one. Coming to fifth one. Area of trapezium. What is the name of the trapezium? Yes, RBDQ. RBDQ. What is the formula? Half of H into A plus B, correct? Here A is given to be 2.5, B is given to be 2. What is H? H means height. MD minus MB. MD is 7 and MB is 4. 7 minus 4, that is 3, into A plus B, 2.5 and 2. That is equal to 4.5 into 3. So 4.5 into 3, 3 5s are 15, 3 4s are 12 plus 1, 13.5. So 13.5 by 2, that is 2 6s are 12, 15, 2 7s are 2 5s are 6.75. Correct? And lastly, area of triangle, that is number 6 we are doing in the figure. QDP is equal to half of base into height. Half of base is how much? DP. DP means MP minus MD. MP is 9, MD is 7. 9 minus 7 is 2. Into height, that is 2. That is equal to 2 ones are 2 ones are 2 centimeters square. So add all this. Lastly, area of what is the figure called? There are how many sides? 6 sides, correct? Area of hexagon. Name M N O P Q R. Name of the hexagon MNOPQR is equal to, add all this, 2.5. One is 2.5, first one. Second is 11. Third is 4.5. And fourth is 5. And fifth is 6.75. And last is 2. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Correct? Add all this. This will be 5, 7 plus 5, 12, plus 5, 17. 1 plus 2, 6, 3, 9, 14, 18, 19, 21. 2 plus 1, 3. Correct? So 2.5 plus 11, 13.5, 17.5, 18, 23, 25, 31.75. So that is the final answer. So much of square centimeters. So that is the area you are asked to find out. 31.75 square centimeters. Purposely we took a challenging sum. You must always try to take as a challenge. Life is a challenge, meet it. It's not difficult actually, little bigger, that's all. But when you divide into different figures, nothing difficult in that. Okay? Noted down? Okay. Now we'll pass on to home assignment. First question. The shape of the top surface of a table is a trapezium. See, this is a table. It's a trapezium. And find its area. Its parallel sides are 1 meter and 1.2 meters. So this length is 1.2 and that length is 1 meter. and distance between them is 0.8 meters, perpendicular distance. You have to find the area of the table of the top. Second question, top surface of a raised platform is the shape of a regular octagon. So here is a octagon. What do you mean octagon? Plane figure having 8 sides, correct? Find the area of the octagonal surface. Here this is given, this height is given to be 4 meters and this is given to be 11 meters. And using this you have to find the area of the octagon. Now let us see what Bhagavan Baba says. Bhagavan Baba Uvacha. 3 attributes of one reality. Our true basic nature is of Satyam, Sat, Chit, Ananda. Sat, Chit, Ananda. What is Sat? Sat means existence. We always want to live. Even if you ask a 90-year-old man, he will say, I want to live for some more years. It is called Sat. Chit means awareness. We want to know everything. All things in the world we want to know. Is it not? That is called Chit. And lastly, Ananda or bliss. We always want to be happy. Nobody want to be in sorrow or misery. Correct? Everybody want to live in happily. So our reality is Satchitananda. Satchidananda Rupaha Shivoham Shivoham, said Shankaracharya. Okay? So this is Bhagavan Baba's message. Come prepared with the answers for the home assignment. Thank you.